People call me the Scot. I come from Eastern Europe. I don't have to be introduced to the people from the trade. I have chosen the path of a freelancer. It gives me flexibility and ease of change of plans. Peace of mind is the most important factor. Many have already tried to disrupt it. During a war, armies leave ashes and ruins. I don't like to leave any trace. I got used to take up no-can-do jobs. When there is no way out of situation, you can bet that I will find at least two.
One shot, now the future is yours, go! Yeah, I was building on a lecture. Verses coming daily under pressure. Working on the plot and the scheme. The true style trademark is at the edge of your dreams. I'm talking one shot for the kill. The breeze come freeze up, straight dropping the chills. I'm talking taking over pieces and shares. A ball base sky high, check the movement is here. Yeah, it's one shot, now the future is yours, go! Turning dreams into reality. In the lab with the formula and chemistry. Your memories spark and motivate and make the industry shake. We put the bars in the brakes. I'm talking one chance at best, yes. Painting pictures for the culture, keep the brushes fresh. Flip the cover, work the drummer, passion never rests. Freedom is a teacher under pressure, now we blessed. See, I was so good for the goal.
I have to be prepared for any situation. As I told you, there are always two ways out. Action Army. Reliable.
One.